So a viewer had reached out and said that they were new to YouTube and that they were struggling with the audio quality in their videos, and people were actually leaving comments on their video about their audio. So if you guys want to learn how to spice up your audio in your videos, stay tuned. Welcome to Sam 610, guys. So in this video I want to help you guys straighten out your audio in your videos. With that being said, today's video is sponsored by AudioFix. AudioFix is an app that will boost and improve your video's audio quality. Once you import your video, it will immediately clean up your audio quality by selecting one of the 12 featured filters. The app also has a compare button, so you can compare your before and after audio quality with your applied filter. Even when you export your video, it will not overwrite your existing video. It will just create a new video with your enhanced audio quality. You can download the app for free for iOS and Android. However, when you export your video, it will put a watermark on your exported video. If you want to remove the watermark, you can subscribe to one of their monthly subscription plans or pay a one-time fee for the Pro version. So I'm actually filming this video on my old iPhone 6S. Yes, I know, guys, old technology. The only thing I'm going to do in post when I go to edit this video is I'm going to make the volume a little bit louder. Since I am using my old iPhone, the volume originally is not going to be good in this video unless I boost the audio volume just a little bit. But we are actually going to test this app to see what it can do with a filter applied versus what it's going to sound like without the filter applied. iPhone 6S original audio quality testing 1, 2, 3, 4. iPhone 6S with AudioFix filter applied testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, well let me know in the comments how it sounds with and without the filter. I'm curious to see what you guys think. And if you guys are struggling out there and filming on your iPhone, I think this app is going to be great to use when you're on the go. Like I said, you can use your video editing program since they might not have sound filters on it. So with this app, you can do that. So I really do recommend this app, guys. So if you guys like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.